Do you really want to get users' attention? With the new animations available for both spotlights and driven actions and tooltips, you can do just that, and they're really easy to set up. Let's check it out with spotlights first. I'm going to go ahead and select a hotspot, and I want to draw users' attention to this brand new notes tab on my fake website. Now, previously, we had this beautiful spotlight that just casually draws attention to something, but sometimes we need something with a little bit more pizzazz. Now, you're going to pop over to the design section, click on icon, and now, of course, as usual, you can modify your fill type. Let's imagine that I do want it to be this nice blue color. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now what we're thinking about is adjusting this animation, and we've added a bunch of new ways to get users' attention. First, you've got sonar. It's really just going to amplify that circle and make sure users are really drawn to this. You also have morph, target, and finally, egg. Now, keep in mind, these are just spotlights. The purpose of these are to draw users' attention to it. And should they, this one is actually set to display every time, and it will dismiss as soon as they click it. So it won't actually get a user to do anything. If you want to do that, you'll want to use a driven action. And driven actions can also have this exact same animation type. So feel free to explore with your driven actions and also with your tooltips. And of course, if you have any questions about how to use spotlights, native tooltips, driven actions, regular tooltips, check out all of the other videos that we have on these topics. Thanks.